Hey, what is up guys? I'm here. Welcome back to Horror again. Today we'll be going to see Instagram tools everyone should use in 2018. Instagram tools are becoming a big hit even after Instagram bots were being banned by Facebook, so much so that over 800 available tools for you to choose from. Each tool outlined below a serve and a specific purpose, but more importantly, they all help you grow your Instagram. The platform itself needs no introduction, otherwise you would probably not be watching this. But to put into a perspective, Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users. The platform has become so popular that we are approaching 1000 Instagram tools available for you to choose from. Obviously, we're not going to throw all 800 tools that we came across. Instead, I will put only one specific tool that we'll have to use in 2018. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm talking about Upleap.com. Upleap takes the cake and is by far our favorite tool that makes your life easier. If you take your Instagram growth seriously but don't want to use Instagram bot to grow your account, look further because Upleap has you covered. You may be wondering, what is Upleap? Upleap helps you get more followers on Instagram with dedicated account manager. That's their pitch. Anyway, we see Upleap as a service that provides with an assistant that grows Instagram account. We have put it right up there as number one because of all the Instagram bots that popped up in the few past months. We don't think Instagram bots are a good way to grow, and Upleap solve that problem. Upleap gets you organic follower which actually care about what you post and what your interests are. It sounded too good to be true, but then we went ahead and tried into two accounts. Both accounts picked up 1000 followers and a little under 2 months. Followers coming from Upleap were not fake either. They engage with our posts, liking and commenting on our photos. Why Upleap is our top Instagram tool for 2018? Let's list out some of our reasons. It's a great solution to grow without Instagram bots, which definitely help millions of users faking engagement. Sorry about that. All the followers we are picking up organic and engage with our posts regularly. Incredibly simple to use, which was the third one. Fourth one, the account manager you get is actually a real person. Number 4 is important. We worried that Upleap could have just been another one of those crappy Instagram social media agencies. Oh, how wrong we were. I actually reached out to one of our account manager and had a video call with Sarah, one of the gurus assigned to my account. We talk about my goals on Instagram and what type of content they should be interacting with me. Growing my account could have been easier. Where you can sign up. Simple. Head over here to grab yourself a free trailer. I'm pretty confident you will love what they do for you. You can always try the service for free to see if you like Upleap. Well, that's pretty much of it. Thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't. I'll catch you guys in the next one.